What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to start my Jeep rear interior bed lining process. So this is what I got going on here. Got a lot of junk, a lot of crap, stuff I don't want. I'm going to get rid of all this interior. I'm going to get rid of all this. Headliners going. The A, B, and C pillar plastics are going. I guess you could call this the D pillar. I suppose that's going. All these plastics are going. This is all going to be bed lined. All this stuff right here is going to be bed lined. I'm going to be removing the carpet. The whole floor is going to be bed lined. So let's go ahead and get started by removing the rear plastics, because I think that will be the easiest job first. And then I will probably move on to the rug and maybe the headliner. Let's see what I can get done. Okay, so I was able to get the rear part of the interior taken apart. I started taking the headliner down, and now I'm just have to work in like this middle section over here, and there's a couple of like things I need to take off, like that and this over here, like these seat belts, in order for me to take the rest of the headliner off. Voila, just like that, gutted. Top part, side part, all that part. Before I got the rug, I'm going to focus on wire placement. I'm not going to do that right now. Sun is down and it's a lot darker in person than it is on camera. I don't know how the camera is able to get this much brightness, but it is freaking dark and I can't really see crap. I'm gonna figure out a way to like tuck these wires. There are some bolts here. I don't even know if you can see them. I'm gonna put like brackets off the bolts, and maybe I can like hang and tuck the wires. I'm gonna rewrap some of this stuff so it's not all ugly and tan. I put the lights and the headliner stuff back in for now. I put my seat belts back in for now just so I could continue to drive it. But I did gut the top part of the interior and it looks good. Now, I like the style of gutted, because when it's all bedline stuff, it's gonna have like that Wrangler kind of feel to it. But I like it.